Everybody love a look, yeah, give them out. Yeah.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So this morning the video is gonna be about what happened to my car. So as you can see, the front and this side is good, but when you come around here, it's all fucked up. My taillight's broken. The new exhaust I put on, that's how it looked right now. The new exhaust, my taillight, the quarter panel, the bumper is ripped, and my trunk is fucked up. Yeah guys, so make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe before you guys reach any further. And yeah, let's get into the video. So yeah, like 2 days ago we was in traffic and everybody was stopped, and this lady in her car was like, she probably was on her phone or drinking or something, and a car was behind me and they hit that car, and that car hit mine. So that's how all of this shit end up like this. But I'm gonna put a picture or a video right after this so you guys could see what happened on that day. And yeah guys, that's how the G is looking right now, all fucked up. Or maybe it's just time for another whip on the channel, another car maybe. But yeah guys, hey guys, so somebody rear-ended my car. My fucking lights mashed up, my brand new exhaust, all of that shit. So this car and she hit mine. So yeah guys,